sa ito, itong waste WTE.
Well, waste to energy is still active. The city government is still engaging the Japanese government. Ang atong yuta sa Blair Eskwela na pamangyapo diha. No, the city is ready. We are just waiting for the final update from the Japanese government to pursue the project. Last month, kay gihangyo na nato sila kay di man gid mahatag og counterpart ang national government. So gihangyo nato ang Japanese government kasi pwede ato nila ng able to operate transfer or whatever scheme that would be beneficial to the city nga dili na kayo magasto dako ang syudad kung sila na matabang nato. And they are interested naman po. Ang importante lang na we should express our interest to pursue the project. But then again, even though na interesado to, wala na nagpasabot na we are closing doors to other interested parties related to solid waste management and other forms of technology.
So, usa pa sabot ano yung magpa-Swiss challenge ta for this?
What means Swiss challenge?
Ipapagod ta for a company nga mo alalay sa to for this WTE.
Pero basta ang naman ko tayo memorandum of agreement with the Japanese government with regards to WTE. So any technology which is similar or pareha sa WTE sa Japan, hindi na ito pwede siyang tagbol because naatoy kasabutan pa man. Active pa man itong kasabutan with the Japanese government. Pero other technology that would not really affect the WTE proposal, hindi na itong dawaton. As long as di po mahilabdan itong gipromise na ito na 600 metric tons of waste per day if ever madayon ang WTE sa Japan.
Okay.
Right now, we are generating more or less 800 or more or less 800 ka mga so kung pananglitan na ay laing players di na tulab ka na 600 di the remaining 200 dito sa Dubai na basta ang commitment nato sa Japan ipadayon din nato to that if that will push through.
So kanya siya kung ba na kasi sinuntan na dili interested ang national government to fund this need. Masabi ko namin loan pa pangangabagayon ng ginisya?
Wala giniskutan ng loan. Ang giniskutan din is the Japanese government will fully fund the project. Ang mahitabo lang is pag-abot sa panahon, ipin-over sa tuwa, kung makabawi na sila. Mura sa due to operate transfer. Mura sa, dumugo na matawag ito PPP, kaya private na na. So government maguna siya. It's like a BOT transfer, BOT scheme siguro for that. I don't know what other scheme that they're going to employ, but ang mahitabo is, gasto ang Japanese government, di sa grant, pero pag-abot sa panahon nga makabawi na sila, mabalik na itong ilang mga na-invest, we turn over sa tuwang technology.
So, kano saan siya nagamit ko?
We are still waiting for the final communication from the Japanese government. The last time I've heard, nag-conduct sila feasibility study. After the feasibility study, diyan na magawa sa ilang what would be the counter proposal for us.
Okay.